I've lost my mind and I don't know where to find it. Because it's been carried away on this mental exodus called Heaven's Poetry. You see, he took my worldly mind and replaced it with that of poets that came before me, like Langston Hughes, Zora Neale Hurston, and James Baldwin, just to name a few. Because if you're a real poet, you will know how long this list goes on.
Let's go.
I've lost my sense of direction because I'm so caught up in writing that I get lost just thinking. When my pen writes, it's not me, it's mechanics. Somehow these fingers know how to print letters without me even commanding it from my brain because I'm robotic. Tick-tock, I don't stop. I've lost sleep over this art form because there's no specific time to write a poem. And as poets, we are on God's time. So when he says, write my child, I awake from my slumber, ready to spill ink onto ththese papers at moments' notice until my fingers crumble. Humble. I will forever be to have this art form called poetry. Because without it, I swear, I'd be 6 feet deep. As a kid, I couldn't find myself. I've lost my way. And I had no one to confirm who I was. Trapped inside misery, the end I could not see. As if no light would shine upon me until one day I saw this composition book posted under a light beam. Curiosity killed the cat, so I decided to grab it. Ever since then, it's been my best friend. It's been there since I came out the pits of death. It's been there since I emerged into a success with the titanium S engraved on my chest. Yeah, I'm going to make it. Yes, I'm going to make it. Yes, I'm going to make it. That saying is like my favorite song, constantly on repeat. That affirmation has allowed for me to find who I am amongst this jungle of others, making my way through these human body serpents, trying to ingest into me their ill-fated poison. But all I have to do is spit one line at them, and they go down like the domino effect. My top 5, like T-Mobile, is carefully selected because you can gauge how far you'll go by the company you keep, and I'm trying to go far, so God takes up all 5 seats. And I'll forever be lost in this world we call Earth, because in Heaven's poetry, God has already found me.